Hey guys, this is Taylor Gibbs with Gibbs Outdoor and Recreation. Today I am happy to present the Travel Lite 625 SL truck camper. These truck campers are a beautiful, well-crafted, lightweight, easy to use trailer with lots of great features. You'll see lots of things inside of these that make them a world above anything else you'll find on the market. Some of the standard features you'll see are high gloss aluminum siding, a TPO with a TPO roof with a 12-year warranty, insulated roof walls and flooring. You're also going to find some extra length Rico Titan jacks on these, a 6-gallon freshwater hot water tank. You're also going to find an outdoor shower, easy to use freshwater tank fill up and city water connection. Again guys, just great features on these. Very easy to use with the optional Brophy tie down system. Inside we're going to find a 3-way, 3 cubic foot electric propane fridge. You'll also find metal sided surrounded cabinetry with also solid wood cabinetry. You have sleeping space for about 3 people very comfortably. You've got a 48 by 82 inch mattress up top, and then about a twin size mattress out of the U-shaped dinette. Lots of cabinetry, plenty of space to store everything that you need. You've got a 13.5 BTU air compared to some of the 9,000s or 11,000s. You have plenty of AC in this one. Be able to heat and cool this thing very well. Come on down to Gibbs Outdoor and check out these beautiful travel lights.